The Government of India has assured the Supreme Court there will be no Waqf appointments and no change in status until the Supreme Court once again hears the clutch of petitions challenging the changes made in the existing Waqf functioning procedures under the new Waqf Amendment Act. The Supreme Court on Thursday issued an interim order in a batch of petitions challenging the constitutional validity of Waqf Amendment Act 2025. The court directed the Union government to file its response within 7 days and recorded Solicitor General Tushar Mehta's assurance that no appointments will be made to the Central Waqf Council or State Waqf Boards under the amended law during this period. A bench comprising Chief Justice Sanjiv Khanna and Justices Sanjay, Kumar and KV Viswanathan made it clear that while it would not stay the law entirely, the existing situation must remain unchanged while the matter is under judicial consideration. Quote, "We don't want the position to change," the Chief Justice said. "We are not stowing the provisions like the 5-year mandate, but we also don't want the situation to change." The court recorded the Solicitor General's submission that until the next hearing, no Waqf property, including those declared as Waqf by user, whether through registration or notification, shall be denotified or altered in any way. He added that even if the government wanted to act on appointing new people, it could not happen within a week anyway. The hearing began on Wednesday, which is yesterday, with the court identifying 3 core concerns. First, the status of Waqf by user properties previously recognized through court decrees. The appointment of non-Muslims as majority members in Waqf Boards and Central Waqf Council. The preemptive treatment of disputed properties as Waqf despite pending collector inquiries. The court also questioned whether the same standards apply across religious institutions. To quote the bench, "Are Muslims allowed to be part of Hindu religious trust? If not, how can the reverse be permitted?" The Chief Justice directed that only 5 writ petitions would be treated as lead cases. Quote, "It is impossible to deal with 100 or 120, he said. Other petition pending will be treated as disposed of. Petitioners in the 2025 batch of cases have been granted liberty to file their replies. The centre, state governments and Waqf boards must file their responses within 7 days. Rejoinders are also to be submitted 5 days thereafter." Concerns were also raised about the scale of Waqf declarations, by the way, during the hearing. SG Tushar Mehta claimed that they have received lakhs of representations and they claim that entire villages have been taken as Waqf. Addressing reports of unrest in West Bengal over amendments, the Chief Justice remarked, "One thing is very disturbing, the violence that is taking place. If the matter is pending here, it should not happen."